mai koutou, ko Xavier ahau. I am Xavier.
And more out today, Winton School. Ko Brayden ahau. I am Brayden. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Wahoo, the 14th of February.
Ka pai, health and safety news. This clear sky UV forecast today is moderate for 11 till 1.
But remember to wear your potae when you're outside today.
Birthday news today. Happy birthday to Maecy in room 10. We hope you have an awesome day.
Hi, VIZ VESTS Keep bringing them to and from school.
Hey there, fun runners. Miss Eade and Mr Tucker are hard out training for the Winton Fun Run. Word on the street that Mr Wadsworth is running too. Let's give him a big cheer.
Woo!
How many teachers will you spot at the Winton Fun Run?
We will have to wait and see. Egg them on. Encourage your teachers and teacher aides. Support staff here at Winton School to get amongst it, running, working, biking. Woohoo!
Kapahaka is in the hall for juniors at 12:30. Please bring your lunch.
Now, if you missed any of the notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below. And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite pōpō. See you soon.
Play hard, play fair, and have fun, Winton School.